Hello class, this is your online mathematics tutor, Professor Mapata, and I welcome you all to this channel. I believe you enjoyed our previous lessons. I'm believing and trusting you are going to enjoy this one as well. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to find the root of a quadratic equation. Come along with me as we go through today's class together. Today, we are treating quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where our a, b, and c are constant. Let's solve some examples together. First we have ax, find the true set of the equation. 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals 0. How do we solve it? 1. You have to write the a down. So our a here is 3. Our b is negative 8. And our c is 5. That is comparing it to our general equation. Good. Now you have to find the factors. So we multiply the a by our c. A times c is giving us 15. Good. Now find the factors of 15 that when you add or subtract, you get your b. We have so many factors. Good. So our factors here we have is negative 3 and negative 5. Let's prove it. Negative 3 times negative 5 will give us positive 15. But negative 3 plus negative 5 is also giving us negative 8. And that settles it. Those two factors, when you multiply, you should get your c, that is a 15. But when you add, you should get your b. We are now going to factorize the expression. So we factorize the expression on the left-hand side of the equation. So after putting your factors in it, it becomes 3x squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 5 all equals 0. We break the equation into two parts and factorize. So when you take this bracket, what is the common number here? We have 3x. So we factorize 3x from this. This will give us x. Factorizing 3x from here, you will have 1. When it comes to this bracket 2, the common factor is 5. So factorizing 5 from 5x, you will have x. Factorizing 5 from this, you will have 1. Then equate all to 0. Always make sure that your two numbers, your numbers in your two brackets are the same. When they are different, go back and check your steps. There's something wrong somewhere. Since they are the same, it means you're on the right track. You bring the numbers outside the bracket together, and you pick only one of those inside the bracket. Then you equate all to 0. So this becomes 3x minus 5 into one bracket. Then x minus 1 into another bracket, and equate all to 0. Then we solve them one by one. We are looking for x. So in this case, what do we do from here? Okay? We have to group like terms. We want x to stand on its own. So we have to group like terms. 3x equals, we now move this negative 5 to the other side of the equal to sign to become a positive 5. We still have to do something to it. We want x, not 3x. So we have to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x. So this becomes over 3 over 3. Whatever you do to the left-hand side, do the same thing to the right-hand side. So this and this cancel out. So we have our x now on its own. So it becomes x equals 5 over 3. Now we come to the next bracket. We have x minus 1 equals 0. What do we do to make x the subject? So we have x equals, now move this negative 1 to the other side of the equal to sign to become a positive number. So therefore we have x equals positive 1. The question was, find the true set of the equation. So we have therefore the true set of the equation is x is such that x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5 over 3. So we have x is such that x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 5 over 3. I believe we've been able to go through together. Then let's solve this likely examinable question. The first we have here is find the true set of the equation x squared minus 5x equals 0. Number 2. Solve the equation 6x squared equals 23x plus 55. That is the second equation. So please, take your job test and solve it. Go through the steps together. Then you go through with your friends. Then you now come to the likely examinable questions. How's the class? I believe you've been able to go through together. Thank you for going through the class together with me. Our next topic will be on how to plot quadratic equations on graph sheets. Please, until we meet again, stay safe and learn hard. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you and see you next time.